Ever wonder what happens to your body when you don't drink water? Water is crucial for our body to function properly. About 60% of the human body is made up of water. But what happens when we don't drink enough? Early signs of dehydration include dry mouth and skin. Water is key for saliva production and keeping skin hydrated. Lack of water also affects how our organs work. The digestive system struggles, leading to constipation. Kidneys get overloaded, risking UTIs and kidney stones. The brain is one of the first to feel dehydration's effects. It can cause headaches, poor focus, and mood changes. This happens because dehydration reduces blood volume, decreasing oxygen and nutrient transport to the brain. Without enough water, your body can't maintain ideal temperature, leading to fatigue and tiredness. Physical performance is also impaired, affecting both endurance and muscle strength. Hydration is crucial for a strong immune system. Water helps transport nutrients and oxygen to cells. Without it, the body struggles to fight diseases and infections. To avoid all these problems, it's essential to drink water regularly. Stay hydrated and take good care of your body. Water is the key to a healthy and balanced life. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.